Hey there, gamers. Today I have something really special to show you. I'm talking about the new Super HD output for SNES Retro Classic Handheld Video Game Player. This amazing device takes your gaming experience to the next level with its Super HD HDMI output. Just imagine being able to relive your favorite classic games in high definition on your TV screen. The nostalgia factor alone is enough to make any true gamer excited. But that's not all. This mini game console comes with 21 built-in games, so you can start playing right out of the box. And guess what? It comes with dual Gamepads, so you can enjoy those multiplayer games with your friends and family. The package includes everything you need to get started: the game console, 2 hardwired controllers, an HDMI cable, a USB power cable, and a manual, all neatly packed in a retail box. Now, I know what you're thinking, but is it worth it? Let me tell you, this console is a game-changer. Whether you're a hardcore gamer or just looking to pass the time with some old-school fun, this device is a must-have. So, what are you waiting for? Join the gaming revolution and get your hands on the new Super HD output for SNES Retro Classic Handheld Video Game Player. Check the link in the description to grab yours today. Trust me, you won't regret it. And while you're at it, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more amazing gaming content. Happy gaming, everyone.